Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, commuters traveling along the south coast of the island now have the option of using a brand new piece of road.
The Maypen to Williamsfield leg of Highway 2000 was declared open today. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson was there and filed this report.
After close to 6 years of work and a spend of over $200 million, the highway is open at last. The highway project was funded by a loan from the Chinese government and constructed by China Harbour Engineering Company, a company also from that country.
I want to take this opportunity to dispel a quite unfortunate perception that is carried by some with interest, that somehow Jamaica is being overrun by Chinese interests. It may shock you to know that even with this loan from China, Jamaica's debt to China is approximately 4.5% of our total debt.
The journey along the old route took roughly 30 minutes. With this, travel time will cut to 15 minutes.
I'm sure all of you here would have unpleasant recollections of being stuck behind a slow-moving truck on the porous road, or even worse, a disabled truck. Well, those days are gone.
But why should the everyday Jamaican care about this new highway, who in the Prime Minister's own words may never directly use it and are at home struggling to even find food to eat?
This road, as distant as it may seem from your problem, is a step in improving the general quality of life for all Jamaicans, a step in improving the productivity of all Jamaicans.
654 men and women were employed on the project. 603 were Jamaicans.
We are not engaged in an exploitative or abusive relationship, development partnership with our Chinese counterparts. It is a mutually beneficial and respectful relationship.
But of the 48 engineers on the project, just 18 were Jamaicans. It is a worry for the Prime Minister.
It is not that the project is structured to employ non-Jamaican engineers. If we had them, we would employ them. We do not have enough engineers.
During the next 2 years, the contractor, China Harbour, will have to fix any defects on the highway. Motor vehicles using this leg of the highway are classified in 3 categories: motor cars, trucks, and trailers. Now, you may also notice there are no sums being reflected beside the motor vehicles. And that's important to note, because for the next few months, at least until the end of December, motorists using this leg of the highway will do so free of charge. Opposition spokesman on transport Michael Phillips in the meantime called for the damage caused in communities by the highway construction to be addressed.
I support my colleague MP Lothan Cousin, who is also calling for a balance to be struck, particularly where roads deteriorated during the highway construction.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.